Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to the Hilltop Life. Today we're taking this ice cooler that we found in an old milk house that we got for free. It needs a little bit of love because it's looking pretty rough and dirty. And the inside insert, well, let's just say it's a little stained and grimy right now. So we'll be taking that insert out, giving it a good scrubbing to get this cooler prepped and ready to paint. Now, you might be thinking summer's about over. Why do you need a cooler this time of year? Now, we live in the South, and there's something magical that happens during the fall, and it's called football and tailgating. So stick around until the end to see how this cooler has went from zero to hero and ready for the next tailgate party. A can of white spray primer is being used first. Then the cooler will be taped off, and it'll be time to put the signature University of Tennessee orange on there. And once this cooler is painted in those University of Tennessee football colors, it'll be ready to roll out for game day. Add some ice and drinks, park it by the grill, and tailgate season has begun. Now, the cooler was free, and we spent about $50 on the supplies for paint and tape. And in case you didn't know, it's football time in Tennessee.